Welcome to this new video in our German grammar series for beginners. Before we start, if you haven't seen our previous videos on German grammar, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful lessons. Now, today, we are going to explore one of the most essential parts of speaking German: personal pronouns with practice and tips. In this video, we will explain everything step by step, with clear examples, visuals, and practice exercises. Here's what you'll learn in this lesson: what personal pronouns are, and how to use them. The difference between informal and formal you in German. How pronouns work with verbs in real sentences. Pronoun substitution exercises to help you speak more fluently. By the end of this video, you will be able to recognize and use all German personal pronouns with confidence. So grab your notebook, stay focused, and let's begin. Let's begin with something very important in German grammar: personal pronouns. These are the words like I, you, he, she, it, they, we. They help us talk about people or things without repeating names all the time. German has similar pronouns, but with different words and special rules for formal and informal speech. Let's look at them now in a clear table with examples. Let's go through each one together with the examples. Ich means I. You use it when you're talking about yourself. For example, Ich bin müde. I am tired. Du means you, but it's informal and used for talking to one person you know well. Example, Du spielst Fußball. You play football. Means he, used when talking about a male person. Example, arbeitet heute, means he is working today. Sie, with a small s, can mean she. Use it when talking about a woman or girl. Example, Sie liest ein Buch. She is reading a book. Es means it, used for objects, ideas, animals, or weather. Example, Es regnet. It is raining. Now let's go to the plural pronouns. Wir means we. Use this when you are talking about yourself and others. Example, Wir gehen ins Kino. We are going to the cinema. Ihr means you all or you plural informal. Used for speaking to more than one person casually. Example, Ihr lernt Deutsch. You all are learning German. Sie, still lowercase, can also mean they. Use it when talking about a group of people or things. Example, Sie wohnen in Berlin. They live in Berlin. Sie, with a capital S, is very important. It means you, but used formally when speaking politely to strangers, teachers, or in a professional situation. Example, Sprechen Sie Englisch? Do you speak English? It's important to remember that Sie, lowercase, and Sie, capital S, sound the same when spoken, but they have different meanings depending on context. So when writing, capitalization really matters in German. In English, we just say you, whether we're talking to a friend, a teacher, or even a stranger. But in German, it's different. You must choose the right version of you based on formality and how many people you're speaking to. Let's understand how and when to use each one. Du, to one person, and informal. Use, du, when speaking to one person you know well, like a friend, classmate, sibling, or someone your age. Example, Du bist nett. That means, you are nice. In Germany, people often say, Duzen wir uns? To ask, shall we use du with each other? If someone says yes, then now you can be informal and use du instead of sie. Ihr, to multiple people, and informal. Use ihr when speaking to two or more people you know, like friends, siblings, or children. Example, ihr seid müde. That means, you all are tired. Du is for one and ihr is for more than one, but both are casual. Sie, formal, one or many. Sie, with a capital S, is the formal version of you. Its use when talking politely to strangers, customers, teachers, doctors, older adults, in professional or official settings. Example, sprechen Sie Deutsch? That means, do you speak German? Sie is always capitalized, and it's used whether you're speaking to one person or a group, as long as it's formal. One of the most common beginner mistakes is using du when you should use sie. This can sound rude or disrespectful, especially in German culture where politeness is important. When you are in doubt, simply use sie. It's always safer to be formal at first. Now that you know the basic German personal pronouns like ich, du, sie, and more, you might be wondering, how do we use these pronouns correctly in real sentences? To speak correct German, you must learn how to use the right verb form with each pronoun. In German, the verb changes depending on the subject of the sentence. This is called verb conjugation. Let's start by learning how this works with one of the most important verbs in German, the verb sein, which means to be. Let us go step by step and look at each one. Ich bin. Ich means I, and bin means am. That means I am becomes ich bin. For example, ich bin müde. That means I am tired. Du bist. Here, du means you when you are speaking to one person in an informal way. To say you are, in German we say du bist. Example, du bist nett. That means you are nice. Sie, es. Means he. Sie means she. Es means it. With all three, we use the same verb. Ist. Examples. Ist krank. He is sick. Sie ist freundlich. She is friendly. Es ist kalt. It is cold. That makes it easy to remember. For he, she, and it, the verb is always ist. It is like is in English. Wir sind. Wir means we. To say we are, we use wir sind. Examples. Wir sind Schüler. That means we are students. Ihr seid. Ihr is used when you speak to more than one person in an informal way. To say you all are. In German we say ihr seid. Examples. Ihr seid laut. That means you all are loud. Sie sind when written with a small s. Sie means they. We use the verb form sind. Example. Sie sind hier. That means they are here. Sie sind with capital S. This Sie is very important. It is formal you. You use it when you speak politely to someone you don't know well, or in professional situations. We use sind with this formal Sie. Example. Sie sind Lehrer. That means you are a teacher. If you see Sie with a capital S, it usually means formal you. And if Sie is in lowercase, it might mean either they or she, and you must check the context. These verb endings are very important when you speak in German. Whenever you learn a new verb, you must learn how it changes with each subject. Now that you know the German personal pronouns and how to use the correct verb forms, let's practice an important skill called pronoun substitution. This means replacing a person's name or a noun with the right pronoun in a sentence. It helps you speak and understand German more naturally and fluently. Let's go through some examples together. Example 1. Lisa ist freundlich. Lisa means the name of a woman. To replace Lisa with a pronoun, we use sie, which means she. The sentence becomes Sie ist freundlich. This means she is friendly. Example 2. Max ist müde. Max is a man's name. We replace Max with the pronoun which means he. The sentence becomes ist müde. This means he is tired. Example 3. Der Hund spielt im Garten. This means the dog is playing in the garden. For animals or objects, we usually use For masculine nouns, SAE for feminine, or ES for neuter. Here, Hund is masculine, so we replace it with The sentence becomes spielt im Garten. This means he is playing in the garden. Example 4. Anna und ich gehen ins Kino. This means Anna and I are going to the cinema. When you speak about yourself and others, you use the pronoun wir, which means we. The sentence becomes Wir gehen ins Kino. This means we are going to the cinema. Example 5. Du und deine Freunde sind laut. This means you and your friends are loud. When you talk to more than one person informally, use the pronoun ihr. The sentence becomes Ihr seid laut. This means you all are loud. Example 6. Herr Müller ist Lehrer. This means Mr. Muller is a teacher. When speaking formally to someone, use Sie with a capital S. You say Sie sind Lehrer. You are a teacher. Fantastic work. Using pronouns to replace nouns makes your German sound more natural and fluent. Keep practicing this skill to avoid repeating names and make your sentences smoother. Now, it's time to put your knowledge to the test with a fun multiple-choice quiz. You'll hear questions, choose the right answer, and get instant feedback to help you learn better. Now, answer these 5 questions. I'll give you 3 to 5 seconds to choose the correct answer before revealing it. Question 1. How do you say she is tired in German? Ist müde. Sie ist müde. Du bist müde. Answer. Sie ist müde. Sie means she, so this sentence means she is tired. Question 2. What is the correct pronoun for I in German? Du, ich, wir. Answer. Ich. I in German is ich. Question 3. How do you say they are here in German? Sie sind hier. Ist hier. Ihr seid hier. Answer. Sie sind hier. Sie, capitalized here, means they. So, they are here. Question 4. Which pronoun means you all? Informal plural? Wir. Ihr. Sie. Answer. Ihr. Ihr means you all. Informal plural. Question 5. Choose the correct sentence for he reads a book. Er liest ein Buch. Sie liest ein Buch. Du liest ein Buch. Answer. Er liest ein Buch. Er means he, so this is he reads a book. Great job on the quiz. Practicing this way will help you remember pronouns better and use them correctly in speaking and writing. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Also, check out our previous video on German A1 series. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Tschüss.